Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can set your slide transitions on LibreOffice Impress to auto advance so that you don't have to click into them to advance to the next slide through the transition. So let us dive into this. So navigate to presentation and you will need to access the slide transition menu. There are several ways how you can do this. Option number one, you click into slide here at the top and choose slide transition. Option number two, you navigate to your sidebar here and to the right and choose slide transitions. And option number three, you use the shortcut Alt-6. Next, you may select the slide transition, customize it, the length, for example, the duration. And also guys, here below you will see the option advanced slides. So what you want to do is switch from on mouse click, which is set to default usually, to after, and then choose or set the seconds here to the right, how quick you would like these slides to transit to the next one or advance to the next one after 3 seconds, for instance, or I don't know, if you're explaining something, let's say 30 seconds, and then confirm by clicking into apply transition to all slides. If you want to do this, you may also play the preview by clicking into this button. However guys, that's how it works. So hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we catch you later.